Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial, where we will explain how to fix Cash app failed for my protection. Let's walk through the steps to fix it quickly and properly. Step 1. Go ahead and open your Cash app. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Tap on it to head into your account settings. Now you're in the profile section. What you want to do is scroll all the way down. Keep going until you reach the very bottom of the page. There, you'll find a button labeled Support. Tap on that and wait a moment while it loads up the Help Center. Once the support page opens, you'll see several categories that cover different problems you might face in the app. Since we're dealing with a payment issue, tap the option that says Sending Payments. This section covers anything related to transactions, errors, and money transfers. On the next page, scroll down once again until you find a section titled Contact Support. Right below it, you'll see a button that says Chat. Tap that to open a live chat box where you can get in touch with Cash App's support team directly. Here's where you need to type your message. Keep it short, clear, and polite. You can say something like, "Hi, I'm experiencing a payment fix my protection error when trying to send money. Can you please help me resolve this issue?" Feel free to copy and paste that if you want. Once you send the message, the support team will review your issue and respond with the steps or a fix. Sometimes they resolve it immediately, and in other cases, they may ask for a little more info, but don't worry, you're already on the right path. And that's it. You've reached out to support the right way, and you're just one reply away from getting your Cash app working smoothly again. Be sure to check your notifications in the app so you don't miss their response. And that's it. You are done.